Good day, everyone. Welcome to my new episode. And in this episode, I've written a script that generates assembly code of a C code, and this code is saved. It's saved in an output file, and this file is ended with .s extension instead of .c, which is the file extension for C language. And to show you guys what I've done so far, let me first export, then I say C file equal to main.c. Yes, just for C file equal to main.c. I've exported, so it's worked perfectly. Then let me cut main.c. Okay. Wow, this is the code that I've written under main.c. Let me extend this. Let me increase this so that you'll be able to see it very well. Increase. So now the next thing that I will do now is that let me try to compile it and see. And to compile, which is very easy, right? So I have to make this file, and this file I've named it as assembler, yeah, which is the tax number 3, right? So now what I have to do now is that let me first make it as executable u plus x, u plus x, then we define name assembler, right? I should click on enter. I should list it. I think now it is executable now. Can you see that now? Let me first clear this. Then let me run it to assembler, to C, to assembler. Yeah, everything is running. If I should list, let's see if the file has named at .s. Can you see that main.s? Which means my file is working perfectly. And if I should cut main.s to see the assembly codes, main.s, now, yeah, this is my file. So it has written all this file in an assembly code, right? Thank you for watching, and see you guys in my next video.